Did you know mommy's gonna cut her hair today? We're going to make the biggest mistake of my life. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that's a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You heard it from Coda first. I'm about to make a huge mistake. I'm going to cut my hair off. Coda, he's looking at me like, are you crazy? Yeah, I know. The reason why I'm going to be cutting my hair off is because I am going through postpartum hair loss. When I'm in the shower, literally like when I'm in the shower, just like chunks of hair just falls out. My hair just feels so dead in a lot of places. So I kind of just want to cut it off to just kind of start fresh. But like there's pieces that have like broken off that go to like here on my head. I don't know what I'm thinking, but I thought it would be entertaining. I know I don't really do like these type of videos anymore, but I thought, you know what, it will be entertaining. And Coda's like literally looking at me right now like, girl, you should not be doing this. Look at this, look at his little position right now. He's kicking back. He's like, what are you thinking? Are you smiling? Are you smiling? You don't think I should do it either? Oh, yeah, I know. Mommy's crazy. So, cross your fingers that this doesn't turn out terrible. I am so nervous and I don't even know why I'm doing this. There's no way to turn off my fan, so that might be annoying. But first thing I have to do is bring Coda's swing in here so he can sit right here, and then we're gonna get started. So, hold on. Sleepy? There is my baby. He's going to be here. Alright, let me just get situated and we will get started. Oh my god. Got my hair straightener. We're gonna start with straightening my hair. I'm actually going to be following the Brad Mondo hair tutorial. As you can see, I have a lot of hair, so this is going to be so scary. Another thing is I've never had frizzy hair ever in my life. And now it is so frizzy, like look at this. I've never, oh, I'm about to trip. But yeah, if Brad Mondo ever sees this video, I hope this turns out good. Yeah, I don't know how short, I know I'm attacking my hair right now. Look at how much hair I have and how, like, what am I thinking? What am I thinking? Oh my god. I mean, I hate my hair short, so what am I thinking? I don't know. I'm just gonna straighten my hair and I will be back. I know I said I would be right back, but I did want to show, this is like where my breakage is. Like my hair has broken off. Alright, so my hair is straight. That was the first step. So I think I'm literally just gonna, but I'm gonna probably go a little bit below my shoulder. What am I doing? What am I doing? Take this. This is the back of my head. There's my first ponytail. I'm not actually gonna do it that short, but I just wanted to make sure I got the hair in there. I know I don't have the little elastics. I hope this is still gonna be okay. What if I cut it that short? I think I would cry. And the sad thing is my hair doesn't even look dead anymore now that I'm doing this, but I think that's just myself telling me to not do this. All right, this is a good length. I can't tell, but it looks okay. What am I doing? What am I doing? Did I say that this is the biggest mistake in my life? Did I? We're just gonna go ahead and just do it. Oh my god, what did I just do? What did I just do? I'm losing my mind. I'm pretty sure this is postpartum for me. Holy sh**. Okay. This has to do with postpartum. But this feels great doing it. I already hate it, but whatever. Just start point cutting. So I did this. Choppy, but what can you do? I already started. Okay, my point cutting skills are trash. What? Yeah, I'm probably going to be wearing my hair in a ponytail for the rest of my life. It's okay. No, I did not just cut my rubber band. No, 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 no. Okay. All right, that's uneven. No, why did I do this? Why? Okay, now I'm not even doing this right. I know, Coda, your mommy went crazy. We're just gonna hope I don't cut any other hair ties. All right, just don't cut the hair tie, please. Okay, this side's even harder. This is making me nervous. I think I went too short. That was my problem. Okay, I can't point cut. This is too short. This is too short. Ow, I just cut myself. I'm just giving no F's at this point. I was gonna do layers and stuff, but I don't know. I don't think I've ever been this short since I was like 12. Do you like how I'm just ignoring this piece because I'm just so nervous? Like, should we just not continue? Okay, let me just, now I'm like cleaning. I'm not trying to point cut this. Coda, what has mommy done? You should have told me, Coda, not to go through with this. It's okay. He said, sorry, Mom. The one thing I must say though is my hair just feels a lot healthier, so regardless if I do have to keep my hair up in a ponytail, it's not the end of the world. Do I dare to try layers? I've gone this far, should I do it? First off, let me just look at the back of my head. This is what I'm most nervous about. Oh, yeah, it is uneven. Pretty bad. Okay. Coda, what did I do? I was excited for a second. Look at this. I do not dare to even try layers. Okay, I'm stuck. Let me just clean up this because I don't know what to do. Alright guys, so this is it. I'm probably going to stop the video here. I just know I cannot finish. I feel like me cutting off the rubber band was like, gave me anxiety and I just couldn't like complete it. I'm not like extremely upset. I don't leave the house. I mean, I've never like short hair on me, but my hair has needed to be just like cut just so it's healthy and everything. So I'm not mad at it. So it's fine. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys had fun. I hope you guys found this entertaining. Maybe it gave you some nostalgia from years ago if any of you guys watched my hair videos. But yes, I didn't learn my lesson. How do you think it looks? Huh? Oh, you think I'm pretty no matter what? I love you. Alright, bye guys. Boo. Oh, love you.